Could it caught jellyfish?
There's definitely a fish on that one.
Oh!
I'll put your urchin up here a minute.
You know, put something on that.
What is?
Right, so if you take the tube out of the tube, you take the rod out of the tube.
Oh!
Oh, here he comes.
Just seen it.
What is this? What is this?
An eel.
Oh, come on, mate.
Go on, Hannah.
Right, just gently lift it up.
Look at that, Leo.
You come real.
Oh, it's eel.
Picture that.
It's a fish and chips tonight.
The ear's like smiling.
That is huge.
It's a surprise.
You've got a nice heart.
Ooh! Is it shark?
Yeah.
You caught it. Huge.
So with the bullhuss, that's all right, leave it, I'll roll it down. Right, the way you want to hold it, your top hand's the one that's going to take control of it.
I'm alright, actually.
I tell you what, come and kneel next to me, Steve.
Steve, you can do it.
Nah.
Yeah, so this is the
Shall
bullhuss.
I do it then? Shall I hold it? Go on.
No, Mum,
Right.
don't hold
Hold
it.
that top hand tight
Right,
and
do
then
you
just
wanna
put your
touch
hand
it
under its
first?
chin.
I'm not holding that.
Alright.
Oh, he's a bit feisty.
Wriggly. Yeah.
He's feisty.
Do you want to come hold it, Leo? Hold its tail, Leo.
Yeah, it's alright, just touch it.
Alright.
Now that camera there, one thing they can do is make themselves sick. So just be warned, you might suddenly get a pound or two of water.
Touch it.
Whatever
Touch it
you
back.
think.
Right, let me touch it.
It's really, it's like sand.
It's weird.
Oh.
Yeah, they're really, really rough. So like all sharks,
one way
their
is
scales.
smoother.
Yeah, why are we
Yeah,
spiky,
Laid
isn't
backwards,
it?
that's
Yeah.
smooth, and then the
Yeah,
other way is
the
very,
other
very.
Oh! My God!
I'm sorry, I panicked.
There's blood on the floor.
It's fine. It's okay. You're gonna get a bit messy fish here.
Are you scared? Are you scared?
I think you might.
Yeah.
I'm proud of you for it was so cool.
Well, let's go.
That was way too scary.
Oh,
Oh.
And
Yeah, there's blood everywhere. Come on, let's do cut me another prawn. Cut me another prawn, yeah.
You got anything in?
do you need a hand so I can dig it in?
Just turn that. There you go.
Got it.
He's smiling.
Don't rip his nose off.
Look what we've got.
I knew that.
I'll try not to look tired. No, I think it's okay.
Granddad, have a sit down and your coffee now.
Oh, it's an eel.
This is a dogfish. So that's the little relation of the big bullhuss I caught earlier.
I don't want to.
There's a baby.
That one, I want to hold the baby.
Actually, as far as dogfish go, that's not too bad a dogfish.
Do you want to stroke it there?
Sleeping fish.
He's smiling.
Probably knocked out.
Right past us.
Yes, call it back.
What?
Gather that line. That's it, do nicely.
What's that? 2-inch mackerel.
Yeah.
What is this? It's a mermaid.
Come out backwards, George makes it harder. That's it, keep going. Just steer it around a bit. Bring it along for me. A little more. Like that for a picture, alright? So just there. And then just below my thumb here.
Oh. Jesus. That is ridiculous.
Into a seat.
Okay.
Okay, bye, buddy.
Oh.
Oh, let's do that.
That's alright, be alright. They're not brilliant at backstroke, but once they get themselves over, they're fine.
He's going to do a dive.
Ready out the way, Mum's got something, fingers out your mouth. But Mum's got something here.
Oh.
Yeah, come here, Dad. That's it.
Someone come in on there.
Oh, look! it's got.
Do you want to feel really rough, don't they?
If you stroke it one way, it's
It
really
does
rough.
feel like sand.
Yeah, stroke it the other way, that. Oh, that's really rough.
And then it's moved the other way.
Do you want to hold that one?
No.
Oh, he's much less
Do you want to throw it
aggressive than
back?
the big one.
Yeah.
Making a mess there, mate.
He's gone, oh.
If you want, just rest roll on the floor if you want, and then or put the bottom of it down. Just leave it in there. So they come up here and have their pups. They have like 20 to 30 at a time, and these little ones will stay till they get maybe like forearm length, and then they go off to deep water to grow huge. But yeah,
The angle is getting all the bit in the nose.
Be careful in my ear.
Yeah.
and then
Please don't film that.
Mom, she's clean.
a bigger version of
Yeah.
the chin.
That is right in my face. 3 seconds.
Oh! What is this?
Right, look.
It's okay.
It's
okay.
Has Andrew?
Yeah, he's got some. I got some pictures. You get pictures? Yeah.
It's on my shoe. Somebody wipe this off of my shoe.
I mean, it is a little bit convoluted, is what it is.
Was that a skeleton?
Man, look. Wow.
Mama, we have
So
a big
remaining.
one.
You're fine.
Good. Are you taller than the eel?
Yeah, I reckon he is taller than you.
Really?
You want to hook it? Watch it go under
Don't
the
be
door?
scared. Go.
Right,